Today, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram feed to your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to showcase your latest Instagram content directly on your website, keeping it fresh and engaging for visitors without having to manually update it every time you post. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options available on the left side of your screen. Click on Add New App. This will open up a search field where you can browse through all the widgets Elfsite offers. In that search bar, type Instagram feed and click on it when it appears. This widget is specifically designed to pull your Instagram content and display it seamlessly on your website. Now you'll see various templates available for how your Instagram feed will look. Browse through the options and choose a template that matches your website's style and aesthetic. Once you've found one you like, click Continue with this template. This takes you to the customization page where you can configure how your feed will function. Next, you'll need to select a source type. You have two options here, account or hashtag. For this tutorial, we're going to use account, which displays posts directly from a specific Instagram profile. This is the most common choice for businesses and personal brands looking to showcase their own content. After selecting account, you'll need to provide the username or URL of the Instagram account you want to display. Just paste it into the field provided and click Search. Elfsite will locate the account and prepare to connect it. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Instagram account. Follow the authentication steps to grant permission, and once that's complete, click Publish. A confirmation will appear, so go ahead and click Close. Now that your Instagram feed widget is published, you need to embed it into your Squarespace site. Click the three dots next to your newly created widget and select Embed Code. This will generate a unique code snippet specifically for your Instagram feed. Copy this code to your clipboard. Head back over to your Squarespace site editor. Navigate to the page where you want the Instagram feed to appear and click Edit, then click Add Block to open the block menu. From the options available, select Embed. This block type allows you to insert custom code into your Squarespace page. Once the embed block is added, click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. Now click Code Snippet, which is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsite. Click Embed Data, then paste the code into the field provided. After pasting, click Preview in Safe Mode to see how your Instagram feed will look on the page. This preview ensures everything is displaying correctly before you finalize it. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to lock in your changes. Finally, click Exit to leave the editor. Your Instagram feed is now live on your Squarespace site, automatically updating whenever you post new content to Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully added a dynamic Instagram feed to your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.